Here's a solution to how you can have soapy water as well. And so what we need is some clean water and some laundry washing powder. And with that, we can make our own soapy water. So depending on the size of our bottle, and in this case, it is 1.5 liters of clean water, a powder to 1.5 liters. Now, you can use a 1/2 liter, you can use a 1 liter, you can use 2 liter, you can use 1.5 liters. And so the proportion is outlined in the document that's attached and listed below. So this is an official teaspoon measure. If you're a baker, you would recognize this. But you can also just use an ordinary teaspoon that looks like this. So now I've got my powder and I have to add it to my clean water. Now we need to leave some space in there so that the powder can go in there. And so I'd like to have about 5 centimeters from here to here. And 5 centimeters is, according to this, is right there. Okay? So that's going to take it down to about here. I'm going to get rid of some of this water and make 5 centimeters of space. So I'll take my lid off and consume some of this water. Yeah, that's clean water. And so I'll measure, and I got enough space. Okay, now I need to add that powder to this water. And so I'm going to make a little funnel. Now I'm going to make it out of this piece of paper, but if you have a funnel at home, please feel free to use that. And we're going to add the powder. So I get my funnel in here, get my powder, pour it in there, and create the mixture, which is my powder and water. Okay, and so now we got to mix that up and get it all mixed up in there real good. So I'll mix it up thoroughly. And there it is, all mixed up, and you can see it looks very soapy. But now we got to be able to get the water out of here and onto our hands. And obviously with the lid, it won't come out. So we're going to have to put a little hole in the lid. So I'll take that lid off, and I've got a nail and a hammer. So now I'm going to drive my nail and create a small hole. There we go, all done. And there's my little hole. And so now, put my lid back on and give it a try. And that's how you make soapy water for hand washing.